Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rounded rectangle. Draw the vertically rectangle and none this fill color. Pick up the stroke color. Select this pointer and round it. Now we need a circle. Hold Shift and draw the circle. Select this circle and adjust top on the rectangle. Select all. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Do again. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust perfectly. Now select those side. Hold Shift and drag. Little bit decrease the size. Now we need a line segment tool. Hold Alt plus Shift and draw the line. Now select all and take Shape Builder tool and displace all unnecessary part. Hold Alt and click. Select this and increase the stroke value. Take Shape Builder tool and join this path perfectly. Select this and go to Object and Expand. Now you go to Pathfinder and click Unit. Take Direction tool and click this point and drag. Select this point and drag for round it. Now we change the color. For more attractive, we use gradient color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.